what is the phonic sound of B? B. 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 B for ball. B. B. Ball. B for bat. B. B. Bat. And which letter is this? Letter B. This is letter B, capital letter B. ये कौन सा letter है? Letter B, capital. Okay. So now B for butterfly. Wow. B for butterfly. And capital letter B, small letter B. What is the phonic sound of B? B. So आज हम कौन सा letter सीखेंगे? Capital letter B. Yes, yesterday we learned small letter B, right? So today we learn capital letter B. So now B for ball, B for bird. What is the phonic sound of B? B. B for boy, B for boot, B for bear, B for bus, and B for bug. So, what is the phonic sound of B? B. B for ball, B. B. Ball. Now, take out your textbook, everyone. Okay, so take out your textbook, everyone. Disney Phonic Workbook. Textbook. Okay, page number 30. And पेज नंबर 31 अदर हाफ. हमें क्या करना है आज क्लास वर्क में? ट्रेस एंड राइट द लेटर बी, कैपिटल लेटर बी. ओके. ग्रैंडमा टेक्स आउट टियारा हर बैग. ओके. ओके. सो ग्रैंडमा टेक्स आउट द टियारा फ्रॉम बैग. ग्रैंडमा मीन्स हमारे दादी. ग्रैंडमा टेक आउट द टियारा फ्रॉम बैग. ग्रैंडमा ने क्या किया? बैग में से बी फॉर बैग में से टियारा निकाला. ओके. सो नाउ राइट CW हियर एंड ट्रेस द लेटर B. ट्रेस द कैपिटल लेटर B. ओके. सो CW and date and now trace the capital letter B. Take out your crayons, everyone. Capital letter B, small letter B. Capital letter B, small letter B. So how we write capital letter? How we write small letter B? हमने कैसे लिखा था? Standing line and right side or left side curve. Small letter B. Now how we write capital letter B? Standing line, right side curve. हमें क्या क्या करना है? आगे तक left side curve and then again left side curve. Standing line, left side curve, then left side curve. Which letter is this? Capital letter B. B for ball. Okay, so first write classwork, CW classwork, date. Parents, please help your children. And now, kids, are you all happy today? Yes, so make a smiley. Happy. Now, trace and write the letter B. Which letter we write? Letter B. Capital letter B. B for ball. So how we write? Standing line, pink line to blue line. हमें क्या करना है? Standing line. First we trace the letter B. Standing line. Then left side half curve and left side half curve. Letter B. B for ball. What is the phonic sound of B? Bug. Again standing line and half curve, left side curve, blue line turn, left side curve and then again start with blue line and another left side curve. Letter B, standing line, pink to blue line, left side curve, and blue to blue line, another left side curve. Letter B. What is the phonic sound of B? B. 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 How we trace? Okay. Now standing line, left side curve, and blue to blue line, another left side curve. E for ball. Now our trace row is done and our right row. हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ पे लिखना है कैसे? Pink to blue line, again standing line, right side curve, right side. Left side curve, left side curve. Again, standing line, left side curve, left side curve. हमें कौन सा कर्व करना है? लेफ्ट साइड. B for ball. What is the phonic sound of B? B. Again pink to blue line, standing line, left side curve. हमें ब्लू पर क्या करना है? लेफ्ट साइड कर्व and then again another left side curve. B for ball. Standing line, left side curve, left side curve. B for ball. B. Ball. B for ball. B. Ball. And what third row? B for ball. What is the phonic sound of ball? B. Again, B for ball. What is the phonic sound of ball? B. B for ball. B. B for ball. B. Standing line, left side curve, and again left side curve. B for ball. And our class work is done. So kids, in textbook, paste the sticker here. Capital letter B, paste the sticker here. So take out your sticker from a back page. And यहाँ पे B कहाँ है? Yes, B for ball. And हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ पे पेस्ट करना है. Paste the sticker here. Okay. So now, children, write here CW and date. Parents, please guide your children. And 1, 2, 3 line is in classwork and 1 line is in homework. Write here HW and हमें B कैसे लिखना है? B for ball, standing line, left side curve, standing line, left side curve, standing line, left side curve. B for ball. Ball. What is the phonic sound of B? B. What is the phonic sound of B? B. Pink line to blue line, left side curve, blue line to blue line, left side curve. So our homework is done. Now activity time. Okay kids, so today's activity is based on letter B. Which letter is this? Capital letter B. And which letter is this? Small letter B. B for ball, B for bat, B for bus, B for boy. और क्या आता है B से? B for बटन, B for buttons. आपके घर पे है बटन्स? ओके, सो आज एक्टिविटी हम करेंगे बटन्स से. ओके, सो वी डेकोरेट द बी विथ बटन. सो यहाँ पे मैं अभी रख ही रही हूँ, पर आपको क्या करना है? स्टिक. यू स्टिक विथ बटन. ओके, सो once B for button, we put in a line. B for button. Okay, so our standing line is done, and now left side curve. So left side curve and then another left side curve. Okay. First stick फेविकॉल. हमें क्या करना है? फेविकॉल लगाना है. And then we stick all the buttons in B, capital letter B. So the capital letter B is done. Standing line, left side curve, left side curve. Which letter is this? Letter B. Okay, again small letter B. Standing line and then left side curve. And our activity is done. B for button, B for ball. What is the phonics sound of B? B. Thank you everyone. Hope you like this activity and today's class work.